Every year on this day, we celebrate more than just a date. We celebrate a story written with courage, sacrifice, and an unshakable dream of freedom. Independence did not arrive overnight. It was earned through decades, even centuries of struggle. From the silent acts of defiance in villages to the roaring voices in assemblies, every step brought us closer to the dawn of liberty. But beyond the parades and speeches, there are stories that remain hidden, of unsung heroes whose names never made it to our textbooks, of movements that shook empires, and of ordinary people who chose courage over comfort. Today, as the flag rises high, let us remember that independence is not just a gift from the past, it's a responsibility for the present and a promise for the future. This is the untold side of Independence Day, a date etched in the heart of every nation. It marks the end of one chapter and the beginning of another. But behind the celebrations lies a complex journey, a journey of resistance, diplomacy, and unity. As a research analyst, I see patterns in history. I see how small acts of defiance, over time, created waves too strong for any empire to hold back. It wasn't just the leaders we remember in portraits. It was the farmers who refused unfair taxes, the women who passed secret messages, the youth who dreamt beyond chains. The fight for independence was not a single battle. It was a mosaic of movements, peaceful protests, fiery speeches, intellectual debates, underground resistance, all threads woven into one fabric of freedom. And when the dawn of independence finally came, it was not the end. It was an invitation to build, to turn ideals into institutions and promises into progress. Today, as the flag flutters in the wind, we are called to reflect. Are we honoring the vision of those who fought? Are we protecting the values they bled for? Independence is not a destination. It is a constant responsibility. It asks us every day to safeguard the liberty that was so dearly won. Because the truest way to celebrate this day is to live in a way that keeps freedom alive for ourselves and for the generations to come. India's journey to independence was not an overnight story. It was the result of nearly 2 centuries of struggle, sacrifice, and resilience. The British East India Company entered India in 1600 for trade. By the mid-18th century, they had taken political control. The revolt of 1857 marked the first major united uprising against British rule. It was brutally suppressed, but it ignited a spark that would never die. Over the next decades, leaders like Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Dadabhai Naoroji, and Gopal Krishna Gokhale laid the foundations of political awakening. The formation of the Indian National Congress in 1885 gave Indians a platform to demand reforms. The early 20th century saw the rise of two powerful approaches: Mahatma Gandhi's path of nonviolence and civil disobedience, and the revolutionary path led by Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad, and Subhas Chandra Bose. From the non-cooperation movement of 1920, the Dandi March of 1930, to the Quit India movement of 1942, the pressure on the British Empire kept growing. Finally, on the 15th of August 1947, after countless sacrifices and decades of struggle, India achieved independence. But this freedom came with the partition, creating India and Pakistan, a moment of both joy and deep sorrow. Today, as we celebrate Independence Day, we not only remember our past, we also reflect on our responsibilities as citizens to protect our democracy, uphold unity and diversity, and contribute to the nation's progress. Independence is not just a date in history, it is a reminder that freedom must be cherished, nurtured, and passed on to future generations. Jai Hind. Today we gather to remember a journey of courage, unity, and sacrifice. The journey of India's independence. India's story under British rule began in the 1600s when the East India Company came as traders. Slowly they expanded their control, and by the mid-18th century, India was no longer the land of free kings, but a nation under colonial rule. The freedom we take for granted today was once a distant dream, but our ancestors refused to accept injustice. The revolt of 1857 was the first great war of independence, led by heroes like Mangal Pandey, Rani Lakshmibai, Tantia Tope, and Bahadur Shah Zafar. Though it was crushed, it planted the seeds of nationalism in the hearts of millions. In the decades that followed, leaders like Dadabhai Nauroji, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Lala Lajpat Rai, and Gopal Krishna Gokhale worked tirelessly to awaken the people. The Indian National Congress was formed in 1885, becoming a platform for our united voice. The early 20th century brought new energy. The world saw the rise of two different yet equally powerful paths: Mahatma Gandhi's nonviolent satyagraha and the revolutionary courage of Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad, and Subhas Chandra Bose. Mahatma Gandhi led the non-cooperation movement in 1920, urging people to boycott British goods and institutions. In 1930, he undertook the historic Dandi March, walking 390 kilometers to break the Salt Law, a simple act that shook the empire. And in 1942, the Quit India movement became a loud and clear demand. British, leave India. But freedom did not come without pain. In 1947, the dream of an independent India was fulfilled, yet it came with the partition, dividing the land into India and Pakistan. Millions were displaced and countless lives were lost. It was a moment of triumph mixed with deep sorrow. Since that historic midnight of the 15th of August 1947, India has marched forward, building its democracy, economy, and culture. From launching satellites into space, to becoming the world's largest democracy, to being a voice of peace in global affairs, India has proven that freedom, when nurtured with unity, can achieve greatness. But my friends, independence is not just a gift from the past. It is a responsibility for the present and the future. It is in our hands to protect our unity and diversity, to fight against corruption, to respect our soldiers, and to ensure that no citizen is left behind. As we raise our national flag and sing the national anthem today, let us remember the blood and sweat that earned us this freedom. Let us promise to work each in our own way to make India stronger, cleaner, more educated, and more compassionate. Because the true celebration of Independence Day is not in speeches or parades alone. It is in the actions we take every day to honor the sacrifice of our heroes. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.